After the commitment letter is signed, the syndication process begins, though the arranger might have contacted potential lenders before then to gauge interest. First, the parties usually hold a short all-hands call, or kickoff call, where each side introduces themselves and they talk through the syndication. In complex deals, the lawyers also put together a working group list, with the contact information for everyone involved in the transaction. Then the arranger and the borrower work together to draft an information memorandum, or IM, sometimes called the Confidential Information Memorandum, or CIM. The IM is the book in book running, meaning the marketing materials. Most IMs include an executive summary of the credit facility, investment considerations, the terms and conditions of the loan, an overview of the industry, and financial models, both historical and projected. Lawyers don't usually help much with preparing the IM, though if they are involved, they focus on making sure the terms and conditions section matches the term sheet. The formal syndication process is sometimes called the roadshow. It begins at the first bank meeting, which is a bit of a misnomer because financial institutions other than banks are also invited. At the bank meeting, the arranger, management of the borrower, and any private equity firm that's involved try to sell the deal to potential lenders. Their job is to make the transaction look as attractive and low risk as possible. The parties continue to hold bank meetings, and the arranger also has separate meetings until the syndicate is filled. If a lender agrees to become a participant, it gives the arranger a written commitment or confirmation, indicating how much of the credit facility it's willing to fund. The final amount allocated to that lender might be less, though, depending on the total subscriptions the arranger is able to get. When the arranger allocates the full amount of the loan, the credit facility is fully subscribed. It's oversubscribed if the arranger has more interest from lenders than the underlying commitments. And it's undersubscribed if there aren't enough lenders to fund the whole loan, which is when the arranger would use market flex provisions to sweeten the deal. When a best efforts or partially underwritten deal is undersubscribed, then the total commitment might be reduced, or the deal could fall apart.